Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and it's time to switch out those super ugly random bottles that you have lying around your house with these beautiful glass ones from Ruiao. My top 3 reasons for getting these particular bottles are: number 1, that they do not leak. They come with awesome spouts that fit snugly inside the bottle, so you don't have to worry about it getting all over the place. The second reason is because they are beautiful. I love the different designs on them. And even though they're each individual and have uniqueness, they all do have similarities that make them match. The third reason is that these glass bottles can hold a lot of liquid, and also they handle different viscosities. So I have maple syrup, olive oil, vinegar, and even vanilla. These are durable and so convenient, and I love having them in my kitchen just on the side so I can grab them and use them anytime I want to. These are fabulous glass bottles for dispensing all kinds of liquids in your kitchen. You really need them, and that's my point of view.